Classically Cooking with Chef Cindy McClure, one of my favorite kitchens to be in.
Oh,
Cindy,
thank you.
I'm so excited for this appetizer.
Okay.
Tell me about it.
Well, it's really simple, and if you like salmon, this is a great little hors d'oeuvre to pass around to your friends. We're going to be making fresh pea pancakes.
Fresh pea pancakes.
With smoked salmon. It's a beautiful color. You've got the green and the orange. But we're going to start off first with our peas. We're going to take 1.5 cups of frozen peas. If you have fresh peas, that's great. You're going to boil them for about a minute or two.
All right.
Then throw some water on top of them, and then throw it into your
mixer.
Thank you. What would I do without you? Then we're going to add 1 egg.
The whole egg or just the egg white?
Well, I've already put an egg yolk in it. There we go. And we're going to puree this.
So your cooked real quick peas and then chill.
We're going to do this till it's nice and smooth and creamy. Okay, yeah, now we're going to add a little bit of heavy cream. Just because we can.
Or we can add fat-free half and half.
Yeah, you use half and half too. Sure.
But pea pancakes are great. Healthy.
Oh, they are so yummy. We're going to be doing these in a small, like quarter size.
Okay. Appetizer
Hopefully they come out.
size.
Yeah, appetizer size, but you can make them larger. You can also, if you'd like to do a breakfast with smoked salmon instead of a bagel, you make one of these
Oh,
little
that
pea.
sounds like a good idea.
Yeah. And then we're going to add this mixture into our flour. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to blend it. And we want our
So this
our
is
mixture.
pretty much the pancake mix.
This is the pancake, yeah.
Okay.
And we want it to be the consistency.
Of normal pancakes?
Yep, that's exactly right. Okay, let's get this on here.
And we cook them the same way on the
And then if you think it's a little too runny, which I do, I'm gonna add
to
a
texture
little-
and taste.
I'm
Cindy's
gonna add-
measuring.
I'm gonna add a little more flour. So if I add a little too much flour, guess what I would do?
Add a little bit more cream.
That's right. You
Or
got it.
fat-free half and half.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, here we go, Cookie.
All right, so we're going to cook that now?
Oh, no, I'm not. You are.
Oh, well, okay.
Okay, come on
All
over
right.
here.
All right.
Okay, now what you're gonna do, I'm gonna do one just to show you.
To show me?
Yeah. You're gonna take about, that's a...
Is that a teaspoon?
Mm-hmm.
That's it?
That's it. You see that?
Okay.
Okay. Sometimes you have to kind of play, look, to hit it down, look, to make it a little bit bigger. Okay? So
Make
go
it,
ahead.
okay, all right.
All right. Let's get that fire up.
Do all of it, Cindy? Do they have to stay
No,
pretty
just,
far?
why don't you just do 6 for right now?
1, 2,
Okay?
3, 4, 5. That one's a little big. Is that okay?
That's okay. Don't worry.
Should I make?
Nothing's perfect.
Oh, it's
The only
sweaty.
thing that has to be perfect is the flavor.
Oh,
Okay,
these are going to be
so it may not be
perfect.
shaped perfect, but gosh, if you put it in your mouth and it tastes good,
then it's perfect.
then it's perfect. Don't
Now
worry
what?
about it. We're gonna let that cook for a second.
Okay.
And wait till, what do you do with pancakes? You wait till it's kind of bubbly,
And then flip them?
and then we're gonna flip them. Put your fork in there, and I want you to feel that.
It's crunchy on the top, but then soft.
Okay. Now feel this one. This one's,
That one's too soft.
well, yeah, but it'll keep cooking.
Okay.
Feel that one. Feel this one right here.
This one?
Yeah. You see?
It's almost air-like.
Yeah, okay. So that's, that's what you don't want. It's not terrible if it gets to that color,
Okay.
but you want to try to keep that nice bright green color. So we're going to take these, and we're going to put these to the side.
These are amazing.
All right, now start stirring. Now we're going to go to our cheese, cream cheese mixture. Okay?
And this has eggs and onions.
No, eggs were in there. In here right now is cream cheese and just a little bit of jalapeno with no seeds. Okay? And you are going to add to it all these ingredients.
All these ingredients. So white fish? All of them? Yes, I should know better. Onions?
Yep.
Boop.
Fine diced red onion.
Red onion. Salmon.
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 Yep.
Eggs.
Chopped eggs.
Chopped hard-boiled eggs. Salt and pepper.
And salt and pepper and a little bit of dill. Squirt it out. Okay, start mixing that, baby.
And mix it good.
That's right.
See, I'm learning.
I always tell you, mix it good.
Mix it good.
Right.
Add a lot.
Add just a little bit of heavy cream, just to make it easier for you to move it around.
Oh, that's looking good.
Yeah.
Now what?
Okay. Then finally,
Oh, we add more peas?
we're gonna add some more peas.
There we go. This goes on top of our pancakes?
Yes, it does. A dab of this. And pop that on there. Okay, go ahead.
And then what goes on?
There you go. Good job.
A little bit of salmon goes on next.
I don't know about you, but I just love capers.
Oh, they're good.
And just like we were talking about amaranth, capers are they're a flower bud.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, they grow on a bush. They're yummy. Great with fish. Great.
But Cindy, presentation is absolutely everything. Classic cooking, amazing. That's beautiful, Cindy.
Be sure to visit our website, myfitnessrx.net, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.